So on YouTube recently there has been a lot of glow up videos and they are all the damn same. And I'm gonna hop on the bandwagon. You see a lot of people going and getting their eyelashes done and their nails did and their hair done and their fake tan, and then they are like this whole new person and it's amazing. I can't afford that, but I'm feeling pretty bored and pretty bored, so we're gonna do a budget. Ready to go. Do you think if I like posted this on my story, then people will be like, oh wow, she's actually going somewhere. Joke's on you, bitch, I'm in my house. I know that I changed top in this, and the reason being is that, yes, I am flat-chested, and the triangle bikini is not flattering. I don't know how these fucking YouTubers do it. Like, I look like a piece of shit right now, and then there's people take these videos and they look fucking amazing, even though they're in the shower, and I'm just like... I am bathed and all is right in the world. Right, first step of the glow up. We're gonna start off with skincare, boys and girls. Yes, we love a skincare queen. As you can see, my skin is not looking its best right now, so we're gonna slap on a ton of makeup and hope for the best. Let that settle in for just a second. Use a Lush tea tree water. I'm doing it the wrong way around because I thought, you know what, let's do things backwards today. Oh, it smells so freaking good. Yeah. Glow ups are like a natural beat. That's what we're gonna go for. So we're thinking like groomed, fluffy-ish brows with long lashes, highlight pop in, a bit of bronzer, and a nice simple lip, nothing too bold or extravagant. I'm going to be mixing these two foundations together. As you can see, one is significantly darker than the other one. This is my fake tan foundation and this is my normal foundation. I'm not fake tanned, but I don't want to look my normal colour. I want a bit of a bronzed glow. You may be thinking that looks like a lot of foundation, and you would be right. My skin feels so soft after that moisturiser and that toner. The Clinique Moisture Surge is amazing, and the Body Shop does a dupe for it, which is a lot cheaper, the Vitamin E range. Would recommend. And that looks amazing already. Like, I can already see the colour come back into my skin. Oh my goodness, the dewiness of this is beautiful. I haven't talked about makeup in a long time to a camera, so this is kind of nice. I feel like the beauty community, since I got into it, not like as a YouTuber, I'm not really a YouTuber, when I started watching makeup tutorials, but now there's so much drama and tea and, you know, people are doing clickbait and it's just not as innocent as it used to be, in my opinion. So there we have it. We've got a subtle, glowy foundation kind of vibe going on here. And I'm just going to put a little bit of concealer under my eyes to brighten them up. Yeah, Can't Stop, Won't Stop. It is fantastic. Or I would also recommend the Revolution, their fat concealer stick. But the only problem with that one is due to the way that it is packaged, it is easy to get a lot of product out, and at the start you're like, wow, this is great, so much product, but then you run out really fast. So okay. I'm not going to set the foundation yet because I want it to kind of settle into the skin a bit, and then I will apply like a minimal amount of powder to the T-zone at the end because we're not going for like the full baked. Okay, I've checked my phone, we can return. And it's already settling like nicely into the skin. Next thing is brows. And this is my favourite brow kit I've ever had. It's delicious. It's actually delicious. So you get 5 things, one of which is a double-ended brush. Started going under my brows a little bit more when I fill them in because it makes them look fuller, and I raise my brows a lot when I talk, so when I go over more, that's really accentuated, so I have an expressive face. So as you can see, I've shaped the brow underneath, like so. I'm gonna comb it up a little bit just so that I can get the gaps in the hairs. I like scrub it a bit different as well. I don't know how people get like the fade in brows that look so damn good, but I can't. There we have it. That's a very full brow. Wow. Get rid of a bit of that harshness because the natural brow is what I'm going for essentially. Yikes, I did it too low. Oh my god, I did it again. As you can see, eyebrowing is very much an art because you have to carve out the brow. And when you are blessed with naturally thick brows, it is kind of difficult, but you get the swing of it. To set them with the gel. This gel is fantastic. It's just a clear gel and it really keeps them on and it defines each little hair so it looks like you don't just have blocks on your face. They're fluffy as fuck. Next step, I think we're ready to set the foundation now because the eyebrows took so damn long. So I'm just going to use this powder from the Body Shop. It's average, it's not that great. I just use it. This is all I have. Just put some on the eyes. We're doing like a gentle sweep. We don't need to bake every time we apply makeup, you know what I mean? For the eyes, I want to kind of do... I might use this brow pencil actually on my eyes. And just to like smoke it out a bit. And I'm just going to apply it into the crease as well. Smudge it out with my fingers a bit, just to give a bit of like dimension to the eye, make it look deeper. Next step, guys, is mascara. And I'm not going to curl my lashes. One reason, because I'm too lazy to go and get my lash colour, which is in the other room, because I'm packing. And also, I've been not curling my lashes for a few weeks and like it doesn't make a big difference, and I managed to lift the lashes as I apply mascara anyway. See, that looks good. And there we are. Beautiful. Beautiful. I made a cup of tea and I put a shirt on. It's just going so well. I have great things planned. And it's only 3:30 in the afternoon. I did put a shirt on, but I am naked below the waist, so... Should I be telling you that? Let's put on this queen necklace because this is a glow up and I am therefore a queen. Let's do something about this hers. Oh my god, I should have brushed it. Alrighty. It's dry and it looks okay, actually. Yeah, boy. Am I attractive yet? Oh, I found some earrings. Earrings always take your look up. Like 10 levels. So is this. It is a W7 highlighter, but it works and it's pretty. Pop some onto the brow bone. You just want to glow all over. I still feel like an ugly piece of shit. This glow is bad. Then let's get the Morphe bronzer, which is very dark for me, but I'm going to use it anyway, just lightly. I don't mix them together because I don't want like too matte and I don't want too shimmery. And that just like nicely rounds off the cheeks. Okay, now we are going to move on to lips. I just want something glossy because gloss makes everything better. Twinkling lights in the colour Etoile. Did I say that right? Etoile is how it's spelt. I might paint my nails. Is that what this glow up means? I'll put some rings on. We love rings. Rings are sexy as fuck. Like, Come to me wearing a ring, I'm yours, baby. Be right back. I did my nails. Yes, I can't afford to get my nails done. My lashes did, and everything else. I wish I had the money, but I'm minus £250 in debt. I haven't glowed up in the slightest for this video. I literally just did what I'd do on a normal day. I guess these videos where people are glowing up is sending out a really bad message. Yeah, you know what? It is. I mean, they're fun, they're innocent, and people may enjoy watching them because it's fun to watch people like get all dressed up, because it makes people feel like, oh, if I do these things then I'm gonna look good too. But you know, I just put my makeup on and I still feel like a piece of shit. So that's a negative message really. Like, it's showing people that a glow up is purely external. Whereas for me, I think my glow up that happened over the course of the year wasn't so much an external one, although I have been a lot fitter and I wear false eyelashes and I fake tan now. They're great. But what about the internal one that I've been going through? The progress I made with my mental health, the confidence that I gained, the sass that I obtained, like I don't know where that came from, and just not letting myself be disappointed by people as much anymore. Just being a bit more chill in general. That was my glow up, and it didn't happen because I decided I wanted to look better externally. It happened because some shit happened to me, and that's life. And actually, I was in a bath and I noticed I've got some stretch marks on my thighs, right? And I hate them. They are ugly and they look like, you know, they're all red and, you know, just not very nice. My thighs are my second least favourite body part. Does that make sense? They are there because of growth, and my legs have grown. I've gotten taller, and you can apply that to like your mental well-being as well. But the stretch marks are just not stretch marks, obviously. They're like mental stretch marks, because the only way that you can really glow up is to go through some shitty thing or something that's challenging, something that isn't in this little comfort zone box. The only way you're going to truly glow up is if you do something outside of what you usually do, and that's not always a good thing. You know, slapping on a fake tan and doing your makeup, that is beautiful, looks great, makes you feel good. There are more ways to glow up in the sense of the phrase than that, and I want you guys to know that. And I think being honest in this video, finally realising that that was just fucking bullshit, and I was kidding myself into thinking that I could glow up in an hour and a half. So if you're watching this and you feel a bit sad when you see these videos and you compare yourself to people, don't. Everyone is going on their own journey, and some people are just better at portraying that online than others and showing you all the good stuff. It's got deep really fucking fast, and I kind of like it. And that's the tea. Thanks for watching, guys, and next video might be in Germany, so yeah. Should I start saying Auf Wiedersehen now, like tschüss, bis später, ciao? Okay, I'm gonna stop talking.